Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, class. Please sit down. Today, I have homework for everyone. Please describe an animal that you like. Next week, you will read your homework aloud. Use simple and clear sentences.
What animal should I choose? I don't know many animals. I will write about a lion. Lions are big and strong. A lion sounds interesting. But I don't know how to describe one. Maybe I can write about a panda. But I have never seen one before.
You can describe the animal's size and color. You can also talk about its food.
This homework is difficult for me. After thinking for a moment, she softly adds, I need more ideas.
Don't forget your homework, everyone.
Goodbye, teacher.
I still don't know what to write. Maybe I should ask Mom and Dad.
Hi, Sunny. How was school today?
School was okay, but I got difficult homework. I need to describe an animal in English. But I don't know enough about animals.
What animals do you like?
I like tigers and elephants. But I don't know what they eat. I also don't know how they act. Welcome home, Sunny. Why do you look worried? I have homework about animals. But I don't know which animal to choose.
That sounds like an interesting assignment. Maybe we can help you.
Why don't we go to the zoo this weekend? You can learn about animals there.
Really? We can visit the zoo? That sounds so exciting.
You can take notes at the zoo. That will help your homework a lot.
I want to see giraffes first. Their necks are so long.
The zoo opens at 8 in the morning. We should leave home early.
Don't forget to bring your notebook. You will need to take note of a few things.
Notebook, pencils, and water bottle. I think I'm ready for the zoo.
I will make some sandwiches for tomorrow.
Great idea. Sunny will be hungry later. I want to take many family photos tomorrow.
The zoo trip will be really fun.
I'm too excited to sleep. I want tomorrow to come quickly. Today is zoo day. I'm so happy. I need to get ready quickly. I don't want to be late. I'm ready.
Eat your breakfast, Sunny.
We will leave in 20 minutes. I can't wait to see the animals. I hope we see pandas too.
Is everyone ready?
Yes. Let's go to the zoo. Dad, what animals do you like most?
I really like tigers.
I like penguins because they are cute. Penguins are funny when they walk.
They sure are, honey.
Are we close to the zoo now?
Almost. We will arrive soon.
Wow. The zoo is huge. There are many animals inside.
Stay close to us, Sunny.
Okay, Dad. I can hear so many animals.
So, Sunny, what animal should we see first?
Let's see the monkeys. Slow down, Sunny. Ah, I'm too excited. Wow. The monkeys are so active.
They move faster than you.
Look at its brown fur.
It looks fluffy and funny.
Ah!
That monkey scared me. It eats bananas so quickly. Faster than you eat breakfast.
The monkey walks with its hands, too.
It's showing off for everyone.
What animal do you want to see now?
The giraffes.
Their necks are super long.
They can probably touch the clouds.
Look at its yellow and brown spots.
It looks like walking artwork. Wow, its face is so close to mine. Oh,
I think it wants to say hello.
its legs are so long and skinny. Oh, it walks like a slow model. I already have many ideas for homework. And
We still have many animals to see.
I hear something loud. I think the elephants are nearby. Wow, that elephant is huge.
And very playful, too.
Its trunk is very long and strong. It's like a giant vacuum cleaner. Look, it can grab food with its trunk.
That elephant has better skills than me.
Its ears are so big. They look like giant fans. Ah, it sprayed water at me.
I think the elephant likes you.
Are you having fun, Sunny? This is the best homework ever.
I want to see more animals.
Then let us keep exploring.
Look, the ostriches are this way.
Let's go. Wow, that bird is huge.
It runs faster than some cars.
Look at its long legs. It looks like it's wearing giant socks. Its eyes are so big. Oh.
And its eyelashes are longer than yours.
It eats so quickly.
Maybe it skipped breakfast, too.
Dad, can we feed the alpacas?
Sure, but be careful.
They look so fluffy. Ah, like walking cotton clouds. Here you go, little alpaca.
It looks very hungry.
It spit on me. Oh no, Sunny.
I think the alpaca didn't like your joke.
That's disgusting.
Why are alpacas so rude?
Maybe it was saying hello. I can hear loud roaring.
The lions must be nearby.
Wow, the lion looks so cool. It looks very proud, too. Its mane is huge and fluffy. Oh!
It looks like a hairy king.
It sleeps a lot, just like you on Sundays. Its roar sounds scary.
Even my knees feel weak now.
Penguins are next.
They are my favorite animals.
They walk so funny, like tiny businessmen in suits.
Penguins are great swimmers.
That dive was so smooth. Why is it staring at me?
Maybe it likes your face.
Ha ha ha! It slipped on its belly. That penguin is so silly.
We saw so many animals today.
And you learned many new words too.
My legs are getting tired,
Mine too.
but today was super fun. I agree. I'll go buy some ice cream for us.
That sounds perfect right now.
One chocolate, one strawberry, and one vanilla.
Yay! Ice cream time!
There you go, sweetie.
Thank you!
And for you, my love.
Thanks!
So, Sunny, what animal did you like most today?
I think I liked the penguins most.
Really? Why the penguins?
Because they walk like funny little people. They wear black and white feathers like tiny suits.
Oh.
And they slide on their bellies like kids.
That's a very cute description.
Your homework will be amazing.
I already know what to write now. Homework feels easy after today.
Let's take one family photo before we leave.
Cheese! This picture looks wonderful. I want to keep it forever. Today was the best zoo trip ever.
And the best homework adventure, too.
Are you ready to write your homework now?
Yes, I have so many ideas now. I wrote many notes today.
You worked very hard.
I did. Good job, honey. I think my teacher will like my homework.
I'm sure she will.
I think so too, sweetie. Time to rest after a long day. But first, I want to write my ideas down. Penguins are funny and cute animals. They are my favorite animals at the zoo.
나와 베리리키치세 네가 보아까지 말아